Excited na ba kayo planning for your family's international trip? Ikaw ba ang naka-assign na the ultimate travel planner? Let us help you at ito na ang gawin mong travel guide from requirements, airport experience, cabin feel, airplane hacks, landing process, transport to your hotel until room tour. May bonus pa yung conveni run. Here are the basic documents to prepare. First, you must have a valid passport. Dapat more than 6 months pa sa expiration date, ha? For us Filipino, dapat may Korean visa. Secure also e-travel for all the family members at may ma-generate itong QR code each. Other important details, mag-print na din kayo ng hotel bookings. You must have your flight tickets also and pay your travel tax. Pag na-check na yan lahat, pipila na tayo dito sa check-in counter.
Guys, we're here na sa airport and nandito kami sa priority lane because we brought our kids with us. And this trip is very spontaneous because we have to bring our kuya to his taekwondo.
If you're planning to eat also here at NAIA, before your flight, madami ng bago and wide selection na din yung mga kainan. At ang nanalo sa mga kids ay dito sa Rocks.
Guys, if you're traveling also with kids like this age, kailangan mga 1 week talagang kinukondisyon na ninyo.
Tama.
Cooperative, walang mag-aaway, walang mga tantrums. You have to be very resilient kasi there's gonna be a lot of line, there's gonna be a lot of people, and we're, visiting other country with different tradition, different culture, different food. Tingnan nyo.
Full na tayo sa strategy natin, guys, ha? Okay na? Okay?
So ito yung in-order namin guys for our late lunch. Fried chicken, pork chops, and spaghetti.
Tingnan mo yung mga e-gates, guys, ha? Siguro ganyan na, no? Sa future, no? Parang sa ibang bansa, tatagos ka na lang. Guys, gusto magpa-picture ni Luke. Game 1, 2...
With the airplane, sir.
Yeah, with the airplane, syempre. Ano yung dream airline mo na gusto mong masakyan? Saan gusto mong punta?
I went to France and
Anong airplane ang gusto mong masakyan?
yung parang down grade 1.
That the green one. Emirates. You want Emirates. Ah. Sa ano yung dream destination mo?
Japan.
Japan! Okay. Okay. Mini segment yun eh. Mini segment.
And we are ready to board!
Hoy, dahan-dahan guys. Baka busog-busog. Han, dahan-dahan naman. Han! Han, dahan-dahan. Oh, sabi sa iyo eh. Bangon. Sabi sa iyo. I told you. Bangon na. You can do it.
Tulungan mo.
Tulungan. Are you hurt? Are you hurt? Akin na. Stand up. Sabi ko ng gabi. Laki ng chance nun eh. Subusog.
Bale, itas bale. Wala. Ganon.
Let's go! Good.
If you're flying with Cebu Pacific, ito ang feels inside. Legroom naman is okay, seats and padding is average, table and pockets average also, no in-flight entertainment dito guys ha.
Pero alam mo guys, excited na kami na matry ulit yung Korean na convenience store.
Yes.
Lalo na yung hinahalo-halo yung Yakult nila, yung malaking Yakult na halo mo sa kape.
We're
moving. Wala akong katabi.
Abigan po.
Wala akong katabi. Solo fly.
Look, alam mo ba what's the purpose of this? This is gonna put the crib of the baby. And then you put the baby there. This area is for the baby.
If mama is pregnant, after few months, kailangan natin gamitin yan. If mama is pregnant. Tanda na natin.
Traveling with kids naman is relatively easy, basta hindi sila mabobore.
We have pre-downloaded Netflix para naman ang aking baby boy ay chill na chill. So that's another parenting hack guys when traveling. Kailangan meron kayong snack, meron kayong earphone, meron kayong relax na suit, then meron kayong entertainment.
Okay.
My other kid here is with his earphones, with his neck pillow, relaxing, and a cell phone. And my other kid there is also relaxed there with all of his pagkain. And yun guys, para sa mommy, para nakarelax kayo, meron kayo dapat Kindle para makapagbasa kayo ng libro. This is just a 4-hour flight. So, I'll try my best na makafinish na.
And you can also pre-order your meal. So what we got here is spaghetti, beef adobo, and chicken char siu. This is a direct or non-stop flight from Manila to Incheon.
Ready?
Yeah.
Han, are you ready?
I can smell something good.
Just smell something good. It's bread.
What? Bread?
It's bread.
Bread and food. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Wow! Annyeong sayo.
Look at our flag! Maligayang pagdating! Guys, may free wifi na dito pa lang sa airport ha. Mabilis yan and connected agad. Guys, upon landing, may walking time pa papunta doon sa main Terminal 1 kung nasaan yung immigration and carousel. Hindi kayo maliligaw dito guys ha, don't worry. Kasi nakadesign siya talaga as one-way lang. Susundan lang ninyo yung mga arrows. Tapos ito na guys, pababa na kami para sumakay ng shuttle papunta doon sa main Terminal 1.
Don't sit there, look. Don't sit there. Don't sit there. Here, here.
That's for elder.
Nga pala guys, para mas mabilis ang process ninyo sa immigration, please be ready with your Korea arrival card. Very important to note are your passport details, flight schedule, and accommodation address.
Galing Hanin. Hindi ko na naalala na nagtatagalog do sa immigration, no. Yung pagkatapos ng fingerprint guys, sabi, salamat po. Ang galing, no? Ang galing guys, andito na kunin namin yung bag namin. Oh my God. Bag number 2. Grabe. Oh, Han, push it. You do your job. Your job is to push the luggage. Dinala namin kayo dito guys para magtrabaho. Mag-push ng luggage. 1:21 a.m.
136 the ice cream.
Yeah, we go pagka nasa Myeongdong na. Oh. Energy. Energy. First time.
Really? Because I've been watching
Yeah.
videos from
Yeah, you've been watching videos? Korea videos?
disrespectful to talk loud.
Ano?
Disrespectful.
No, it's okay. It's not that loud because guys, kasi si Han kanina, he's super excited. Parang he talks a bit loud. Kayon si Luke, para siyang tatay si Luke ngayon. Si Luke ata yung tatay ngayon, Honey. Siya yung tatay na Luke saying that's disrespectful daw. Bigyan mo na si Han, anak. He's only 5 years old. Saka he's only excited, ha? You relax. Dito na ang sundo namin. Hello? Yes? Yes?
Ito palang sundo namin from airport to hotel na. Very convenient. This one we booked from Klook. You can also use our code, Den and Berto Klook for additional discounts.
Alam nyo guys, nag-decide na kami ni Den na mag-avail ng private service katulad ng unang Korea vlog natin. Kasi very convenient siya, Honey. Saka 4 naman tayo di ba? Saka it's already 1 a.m. Look, go! Galing guys, no? Alam mo, Honey, parang kino-consider nila yung taong nagse-cellphone. Kasi kunyari nagse-cellphone yung tao, tapos nakita niyang tapos pag green na, go na, di ba?
Nakakatawa.
Lapit na. Go. Wow! Ang ganda ng service natin. Premium. Thank you. It's okay. It's camera bag. Thank you.
I'm to the sit.
Here.
We're gonna sit.
Wow, it's really nice.
I'm gonna sit here.
Yeah, you sit here. Guys, we have water.
Premium
Guys, your feet, Han, your feet, Han. Be careful. This is not our car, anak. Guys, we have water.
Guys, we have water.
Look at
Guys,
that.
alam nyo, hindi ko in-expect na ganito kalaki. Ang pinili ko kasing service from Klook.
Let's go.
Let's go. Ang pinili ko guys na Klook service is good for 4 kasi counted din yung mga maleta. So you really have to
you really have to declare how many maletas are you bringing and how many are you in the group. Kasi hindi pwedeng magsisiksikan kayo. Tapos hindi pwedeng overloaded ng maleta din yung mga gamit. And since we're bringing just 2 big maletas and hand carries lang, pero counted as 3 kami and then 1 kid. Parang 3 adult na kasi. 3rd adult na si Luke. And then 1 kid. So, ganito kalaki yung nabook. And this is like parang 3,000 pesos, guys. No? Yung, medyo premium naman siya. Wala na kasi din tayong guys, magta-taxi na lang talaga. Kasi madaling araw yung dating dito sa Incheon. So, yeah, we opted to do this. May bus naman. Kaso, mahirap talaga mag-travel with kids. So, yung mga magta-travel with kids and with senior, kailangan lang talaga ninyo i-adjust yung mga ninyo, transportations. Ganyan.
Tama.
Ayan, buksan tayo.
And this water tastes super good.
Super good.
It tastes like the normal water that I use, but more filtered.
Oh, really?
Incheon to Myeongdong is about 1 hour travel time. And welcome to our hotel. This is Travelodge Myeongdong Namsan. We informed the hotel pala that our arrival time is 2 a.m. 24-hour front service naman sila. Sobrang bilis lang din ng check-in at dito guys sa lobby pwede ka nang makabili ng Wow Pass. Ito yung transport card nila dito. Marami din silang mga guide and map sa Seoul. Dito guys, ang room ay 2nd floor to 13th floor. May restaurant sila nasa basement 1 and yes guys, may laundry and gym dito. Nasa basement 2.
1 a.m.
2
Actually,
a.m.
2 a.m. So 1 a.m. sa atin. Si Han kasi morning person yan eh.
Yan, 9 p.m. tulog na kasi to. Tapos sa aeroplano,
1 p.m.
matulog.
1 a.m. tulog na.
Tara na guys, room tour!
Wala pa, hindi pa nakabukas. I-remove lang muna. O, remove muna yung shoes.
Sakto lang itong family room na nabook namin. Saktong-sakto talaga sa 4. Loft type ito guys ha. May 2 queen size bed with tall windows. May workstation na nandyan na lahat. Coffee station, vault, and chiller. Sa baba guys, may malaking TV at nandito na din yung mga sabitan ng damit. Medyo steep yung hagdan so careful kayo sa pag-akyat at sa pagbaba ha. Nandito naman yung isang queen size bed. Ang laki ng window din dito guys pero don't worry, naka-blackout curtains naman ito. Toilet reveal tayo, may bathtub, may sink, and yes, Japanese style bidet. Katabing-katabi lang ng hotel guys yung GS25 na convenience store.
Midnight run na. Midnight run yan guys ha.
Ito yung quick convenience store prices. Ito yung super famous nilang banana milk, 78 pesos. Ito yung pancake nila, 78 pesos din. May mga sausages and fish cakes. May mga bento style meals din sila. At napakaraming ice cream. At ito guys, so may mga Korean snacks din.
Festivals na lang. Tingin sa akin festivals. Okay. Tingin sa akin festivals. Hoy, isa lang. 1 lang. 1 lang. Ba kayo?
To Mr. Beast. Subscribe to Mr. Beast.
Subscribe to Mr. Beast.
Guys, day 0 pa lang ito ha. Abangan ninyo ang aming short but sweet trip with kids. The whole Korea trip is relaxed with kid-friendly attractions, kid-friendly food, shopping, and a full itinerary na mag-e-enjoy ang kids and kids at heart. See you on our next video. Bye!